You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How's it going, man? Pretty good? What's up, man? What you got running here, man?
2 ZV5 15s on a base 8K. See if it's connected. Are we connected?
The flow running
My banks now.
Oh, yeah. I appreciate it, bro.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what can I follow you at on social media anywhere?
Yep, Base Taco 69 on Instagram.
Okay, yeah, I be sure to give him a follow. Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
You still rolling?
Yeah, you're still
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell him.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.